Welcome to Ding Pong channel, and have you guys been shopping around for a trimmer and a blower? Well, guess what? Answer is right here for you. And today I am showing to you this Greenworks Pro Edition, and this one is 80 volt with the trimmer and the blower. And I got this from the Costco for $150 off during a Black Friday, and it's been 6 months later that I am now opening it and demonstrating it to you guys. But right now they are selling for $430 for it. Now, reason I got this from the Costco and compare it with the other trimmer is Costco is a good place. Reason is they sell a product that is really good to the consumer, and when you don't like it, guess what? Take it back. It's just really easy process. And this thing has 4 years of manufacturer warranty, and if you're a Costco member, you get 4 more additional warranties. So when you put it together, total of 8 years of warranty. Who offers a trimmer and a blower for 8 years? Not Toro, not Craftsman's, not any other, maybe Eagle, a brand like that, or for a cordless kind. And so because of those reasons, this is the one I got this, okay? Enough for me saying yak, 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 yak. Why don't we go ahead and open this? So let's go right into it. Alright guys, so I just opened the box here, and this is what it looks like. Blower and trimmer. It does comes with a 280 volt battery, which is a super. I like that. That way you don't have to do a sharing, okay? It comes with the charger, and this one comes with a blower nozzle right here, and then this is the actual blower. Actually, it's pretty light. I like it. It comes in a trimmer. I think assembly wise it's going to be really, really easy and cinch. And here's the trimmer guard so it doesn't hurt your legs. You do have a strap and a handle for the trimmer right here, and then you have an Allen wrench for adjust. Putting together is going to be really, really simple. So why don't we go ahead and put it together and then demonstrate how this thing works. And I left the tall grass in my backyard on purpose to demonstrate to you guys. So let's get right into that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and assemble the trimmer first, and it looked like assembling is really, really easy. And so all you got to do is combine this little pin into right to that hole. And I thought I had to push a button like this to shove it in, but you don't. You just kind of insert without pushing this button. Makes it really, really nice. Look at that, see? So once it's been insert with an Allen wrench, you can just go ahead and tighten this up. This one's look like it's already been tightened, and this one's it's not. So we can go ahead and tighten this part. So that part is done. Let's go ahead and work on the guard part. And so what do we go and do this part first? And the guard part is just basically face down like this while this thing's up. And let's mix together right here. Let's go ahead and put 2 bolts here. And we can just take the tape off with a trimmer knife. So on this handle right here, if you would just take this much out, then you're able to insert this one's a little easier. So let's go ahead and do that part. And this part goes in first. And there it goes. And let's go ahead and screw it back in. That feels good. On this strap, if you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it. If you don't want to, you don't have to use it. But it does weigh about roughly around 8 to 10 pounds once the battery is attached to here. And so, but it looks like you can take it off later on if you don't want to. But right now, I'm just gonna leave it here for later on use. Let's go ahead and put the battery where the holes are and to the same direction you want. Let's see if I put it in the backwards without making an effect. Huh? Okay, so if you put it in the wrong way, it does not go in. So it's only way going in is this way. So we're safe on that. It looks like only a little bit of battery left, but let's see if we can kind of work on this. Wow, I like the sound. It sounds like an airplane noise. Woohoo! Yeah. Should we try to trim it? Yeah? Yeah, okay, let's do it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do some trimming right now. And first, put on my safety glasses on, okay? And let's do this. Guys, I just want to let you know I love just how this thing is handled. It just, everything fits just right. and I like that the power it has, so I can just continue to do a trimming. And so the speed wise is fantastic. It's everything about it is fantastic on this one. And so now next one is gonna be the blower. Okay, so the assembling part for the blower is like it's more simpler than a weed eater. And so basically this is it. It comes with a nozzle. If you want the nozzle, attach it. If you don't want it, you can just take it out for it. But I want the nozzle back in because I want the concentration of the airflow. Okay, and then for this hole right here and this thing right here, the green button or green insert, you just match that together. Done. That's assembled. We're done with it. And then same thing with the battery. Battery is not completely charged all the way, so I'm not sure if I can be able to demonstrate all the way. But inserting the battery, you just put it in the back part. See how when put it the wrong way, it doesn't work. So if you flip around, only insert right here and push it in until you hear a click noise. And let's see if you have enough juice. Wow! Okay, time for demonstration. Go, hit me! Ah! Turbo! I'm using this blower right here, and so this blower is weighs about very similar to the trimmer. It's 10 pounds and very similar way of inserting in the back of it, and it has a pretty good weight distribution for it. So quite a bit of center, and by holding like this, you're able to control it how you want to aim it. Right now I put it on this nozzle right here for more concentration, and this one also a variable speed as well. So when you trigger a little bit like this, it goes like that, and also has a turbo button, which sounds like this. So it's very much like a jet stream on that. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how this thing works. So not bad, right? It works out really, really good. So that my recommendation for the blower and a trimmer is very, very good. I really like the two units. It has plenty of power, and I want to show to you the yard of how it got manicured, but really dark. I came home too late from work, so trying to make a video and trying to make this thing work, and because our grass was like really, really tall. But anyways, I hope that this video will help you for making a decision for buying a Greenworks, and this one is the 80 volt. And really for me it's a thumbs up one, and it does a really good job. So anyways, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.